From this video you will learn how to cook walnut cream chocolates. 2½ cups of granulated sugar, half a cup of condensed milk, half a cup of water, 3 or 4 tablespoonfuls of thick caramel syrup, a little water, 1 teaspoonful of vanilla, half a pound of dark chocolate. Put the sugar, condensed milk and water over the fire to boil. Stir gently but often, and let cook to the soft ball stage, or to 238 F. Pour on a damp marble and let stand undisturbed until cold. Turn to a cream, then gather into a compact mass, cover with a bowl and let stand for 30 minutes. Then knead the cream, put it into a double boiler, add the caramel syrup and the vanilla, stir constantly while the mixture becomes warm and thin. Add a tablespoonful or 2 of water, if necessary, and drop the cream mixture into impressions made in cornstarch. Use 2 teaspoons to drop the cream. When the candy is cold, pick it from the starch. With a small brush remove the starch that sticks to the candy shapes. Coat each piece with dark chocolate. As each piece is coated and dropped onto the oilcloth, set half an English walnut meat upon the top. To mold candy in starch impressions. Many candies, especially such as are of some variety of fondant, are thin when warm and solidify on the outside when cold, so that they may be dipped or coated with chocolate. To shape candy of this sort, fill a low pan with cornstarch, making it smooth upon the top. Have ready molds made of plaster Paris, glued to a thin strip of wood. Press these into the cornstarch, lift from the starch and repeat the impressions as many times as the space allows. If molds are not available, a thimble, round piece of wood, or the stopper of an oil or vinegar cruet will answer the purpose, though the impressions must be made one at a time. Happy cooking and bon appétit! Please subscribe for more videos and thank you for watching.